Hi everyone, I'm Alex, and today we're going to be unboxing some equipment that's going to be available to students at the University of Waterloo's Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business. Today we're going to be looking at the Sony A6500 camera. This is an APS-C mirrorless camera with in-body image stabilization. So let's take a look inside. So this is not a kit, meaning it just comes with the camera body but no lens. But we have purchased the 16 to 50 millimeter lens to go with all of our A6500s. So if you rent this out for media services, that's what you're going to be getting. As you can see, it's nice and small. Since it's mirrorless, it's relatively light. If we take a look at the back here, we can see that it has a tilt screen. You're not able to twist it all the way around, but it does tilt up and down. So this is also a touch screen that's going to let you set the focus point quickly and easily just by tapping the screen. The A6500 does have a built-in flash, and it has a maximum shutter speed of 1/4000th of a second. It has in-body image stabilization, which is going to help you shoot at those lower shutter speeds without as much of the blur. It also has 11 frames per second continuous shooting, which is going to be great for shooting any wildlife or any times where your subject is kind of unpredictable. It also has really great reviews for slow motion video, so that might be something that you want to check out. But yeah, there we have it, the Sony A6500 camera. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and feel free to drop a question or a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and you can come check out this camera for yourself at the Stratford School.